His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, after a handshake,
Thank you very much. 2 years ago, we started this reorganization exercise. It has been a slow but thorough exercise. And there are many times in this journey when many people ask me why it is taking so long. And I said, better for us to do this exercise thoroughly than to rush it and repeat the mistakes of the past. And so it's been 2 long years, but in the end, we've come to the climax of the exercise. And that is the Congress that we have held today. Ladies and gentlemen, the delegates have spoken. And we have heard. Some people say, fear delegates. But I believe that the delegates have the best wisdom, and they have spoken and told us what they want. And it is our duty to work with the blueprints that they have given us. These gentlemen and women here have been elected by the delegates to serve a mandate till 2026. And it's going to be a very important mandate because a most critical election with the highest stakes is due in 2024. And this executive is going to oversee that election. I believe that they understand the responsibility that has been thrust on their shoulders. And the first thing I will say is that this celebration must be very short. We must cut the celebration short and set to work immediately. As I said, we are all the winners. For those who were elected, we must be gracious in victory. And for those who have lost, let us understand that there's a lot of room under the umbrella for everybody. And as the General Secretary said, all the party might be saying is that we want you to serve in another role. General, I'm sorry. You've served as General Secretary for 17 years, and so, as the national chairman said, the party might just be asking them to serve in other capacities. And we're all going to work together, the Council of Elders, the National Executive Committee, the Functional Executive Committee, to make sure that all those who were not elected have a role to play in the victory of 2024. And so, to climax this, I want to thank the Congress Planning Committee, chaired by Honorable Alex Segbefia, for a very wonderful job that they have done. I want to thank the Electoral Commission, and I had the opportunity to thank Dr. Srebo Kweku personally, but to thank the Electoral Commission officials for the very, very wonderful work they've done in our elections. I want to thank the IGP and the Ghana Police Service personnel who were deployed for the great job they've done. To think that they have been on their feet since 10 a.m. yesterday is not something that everybody can do. And so all the police officers here and those who coordinated the security from the police service, I want to congratulate you and thank you very much. We're indeed very grateful to you. And finally, I want to thank the great delegates. Most of them would have arrived home by now. Others are still on the way. I want to thank them for coming and letting us know their minds and to assure them that what they have done here since yesterday and the decisions they have taken are the first step towards success in election 2024, and that by the grace of God, inshallah, NDC on January 7th, 2025, will come to rescue the people of Ghana from the current hardship, economic mismanagement, and corruption that we are currently seeing. In the meantime, we will continue to work to hold this government accountable to the people of Ghana. And so on this note, I want to thank all of you who have stayed with us since yesterday till now. And I want to thank you. May God send everybody back home safely. And inshallah, we shall meet again. Finally, I want to thank my colleagues, because I'm one of them, the gentlemen and ladies of the media, who have brought this event to millions of people across our country. Not everybody could be here in this stadium, but by virtue of the channels, TV, radio, and all the other media channels, social media, millions of people have joined us for this event. And so all of you, the media who have been with us since yesterday, I thank you very much. May Allah bless you. May God bless you. Thank you, NDC. Long live NDC. Long live the Republic of Ghana. And God bless us all. Ayezu. Ayeza. Ayezu. Hey. 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 Thank you.
Candidate 15, Thomas Ayisikuma, 358 votes. Candidate 16, Wanda Victor Kuto, 1,596 votes. Candidate 17, Mohammed Mahmoud, 342 votes. Candidate 18, Alabatego, 1,017 votes. Candidate 19, Famous Kwesi Kwaduga, 179 votes. Total valid vote cast, 8,494. Rejected ballot, 55. Total vote cast, 8,549. I therefore declare, in order of the number of votes, Wanda Victor had the highest, followed by Alabatego, then Cecilia Asaga, followed by Victoria Kumamenta, and the fifth one is Ephraim Tansaki. So these 5 people who have been elected.